Nice birdie, huh, Joe?
Sweetie. Pretty bird. Do you see the pretty bird, Joe? Pretty bird. Oh, she's nice. Oh, she's gonna kiss you. Oh, Joe, what is he gonna do? Oh, she's gonna bite you.
She's pooped on my pillow.
Oh, she's gonna bite you, Joe.
Joe, be nice. No, you sit and be nice. No, don't chase her. She's a good birdie. Joe wants to play. Look at him. Look at him. You're like, okay, I'm ready to play.
Oh. Oh.
Nice, Joe. Nice birdie. Good boy.
Joe, you're a good boy.
Good boy, Joe. He wants to play. Joe, don't play. If you play with that, you'll hurt it. So you gotta be no play. Sit. Sit. Be still. Okay. Good, nice bird.